All right, guys, we are so excited to bring you this series of videos on finding, splitting, and now milling a log that is over 300 years old. This log was a mature tree when the Declaration of Independence was signed 250 years ago. And celebrating the birthday of America this year, we thought that the best thing we could do when we found this log was to saw this into boards for heirloom projects of a tree that witnessed the birth of America. All right, guys, the next video we're going to bring to you is us getting the tree quartered up. After the last video, we got it split in half. Hope you enjoy the videos. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see the rest of the videos of this tree being sawn up. And hopefully, in a few months, we can bring you some pictures of projects of what this tree was turned into. Happy birthday, America. Brothers Outdoors, I'm Rick. I'm Tim.
In the shadow of the pines, where the air is crisp and cold, there's a story in the timber and a spirit that is bold. No city lights or sirens, just the mountains and the trees. Living simple, living honest, in the Adirondack breeze. Two brothers outdoors.
All right, so in the last video, we ended it where this log actually fell into two pieces. And then it was time to split the halves into quarters so that we could transport it. One of them went pretty easy. The other one fought us all the way. This is American history right here, buddy. Yep.
If you can get it wider, maybe we can get this wedge started down here a little bit further.
What you gonna make out of your pieces, Ray?
Benches and stuff, tables probably. Definitely
There you go.
tabletop.
Bouncing out. Just leave it right there for a minute. Okay.
There it goes.
Oh, we'll hit the middle of it here. Ooh.
Huh?
I think I had about 5, yeah.
I'm going to say, take one end. Okay, I'll take this one down here. Ray can hit on the middle and we can.
At this time, and I know you're thinking it, you're welcome to sing We've Been Working on the Railroad.
Track it, baby. Oh, yeah. Keep going, Bob.
Roll a little bit.
Whew.
John Henry was a man.
He didn't live very long, though.
Can you get two more together down there or not?
Where the hell are we tying together?
Let's pop this one out, yes. All going to the bottom.
Deciding factors right here.
That's a natural split right there.
Alright. Did you bring a bar, you said?
I have a bar, 20 pounder, I can grab it, take 2 minutes.
Let's see if we can
I think that side off of this side here. Oh, hang on. See if we can pull it.
My leg out of time.
Look at those ants.
Look at that spike.
Woo! All right. One more to go, boys.
Oh, are they? Someone puts a bull thistle.
300-year-old tree, man. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Good stuff right there. Want to pop that up?
Pop it out. The short one. You want closer to this edge here? Yeah, we're going to put one here and one here. That's what it started before. Is your head coming up there?
Nah, it's kind of in there pretty good.
It's not open as easy. Putting a couple of wedges in there, you know. Get that open up enough where you get one of those mall heads in there, right? There, she's cracking now. The other piece split pretty easy, but this one is just not cooperating. We've got it cracked, but it's just not opening up. We were pounding on these wedges for over an hour. And to tell you the truth, this part of the tree has got us whooped right now. We're going to have to come up with a different plan. It's just not splitting. To tell you the truth, a bore bit and some black powder has crossed my mind at this point. I've got a couple pounds of black powder for shooting my black powder rifles, and at this point I'm thinking, I wonder if we could blow this apart. But the cost of black powder these days, that thought soon left my mind. Could be tying all night tonight. I think it's time for plan B. Always have a secondary plan B. The Husqvarna splitting wedge. Out down here, you might be able to do this side too.
Try these. Let's try these two.
Dumb Sawyer?
Oh, you should have saw it.
Try saw again a little bit. You dumb Sawyer? Are you dumb answering those questions yet? Well, there goes that chain. I just ran into something hard in the center of this tree. Later on, we found out it's part of a lightning rod. Close. Oh my God, fall off already. It's right there. It's not rolling. See if we can push it over. There we go. I'm going to take the chainsaw and cut it. Yeah, that wedge is in there pretty good. Just take the chainsaw and finish them all.
Sweet. That was a lot tougher than the other ones.
All right, guys, we managed to get this corded up. We're going to head back to the house and grab the other log arch real quick. And Tim and I are going to get these home before nightfall. As it turned out, we ended up working into dark, but we got them all home that night. Thanks for coming along with us. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notifications bell. Don't want to miss the rest of the videos. All right, guys. These are heading to the mill. We will cut these into 2-inch thick, think 2-inch Ray. 2-inch thick boards, probably be quarter sawn because it's already quartered. But
Check out the
yeah,
bolt.
300-year-old tree. This tree saw the birth of our nation. These pieces will be up for sale to help celebrate our 250th birthday of our nation. Make a project
12 wedges later.
that'll last forever.